Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. Thank you for coming back each and every time. Also, thank you for leaving a comment. I appreciate y'all guys so much. Also, thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We are sold out, guys. We do have a wait list available. You have to go to our website to register to get on the website, on the wait list at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, this next line dance I want to teach you is called Obsession. And it's a perfect dance because that I want to teach you, especially instructors, because it's a two-wall dance. And when you go to the second wall, you don't completely do the whole entire dance because there is a change. And just because you don't complete the whole rotation doesn't mean that it isn't a one wall or two wall dance. It's called a change in the dance, and I'm going to show you that part. Come on, guys, let's go. So, why don't you stand on this side, if you will, and look in this direction. So it starts with a jazz square on the right and the left. So you cross over, right, left, right, and then cross on the left. Left, right, left. Jazz square on the right and the left, both with triple steps. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, left. Okay? Then you're going to turn back and walk back. Right, left, and we're going to turn back with our shoulder. Left, right. Okay? 5, 6, walk to the right. Right, left, left. And notice how I turn back with my shoulder as I walked into that direction, okay? Let's go back to the top with our jazz square. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. Right, left, 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 okay? Now, we're going to do out and cross. We're going to do 4 times. Or you can do out together. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you do that 4 times. Right, left. When we do that, we're going to walk back. Right, left. Just walking back 4 times. And we're going to do a step pivot turn twice, coming back to this wall with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, pivot, turn. Okay? So, let's put that together. So what did we do? We did a jazz square on the right and the left. We walk back to the right with a triple step. We walk back to the left with a triple step. We go out and cross, We walk back 4 times. Right, left. And we did a step pivot turn 2 times to do a full turn. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 2 more. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on my left. And they do something with the hand, okay? So we're going to do a hand gesture, okay? So we're going to go up and come down. 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you did that step pivot turn, your weight was on your left, okay? So when you go forward, you come down, you put that weight on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8. Okay, so you switch your way from the right to the left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going back to the left, putting the weight on the left. Okay, from here we're gonna tap 2 times. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quarter turn. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming back to the front. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we do on the right, we do on the left. Okay? So let's go with that step, pivot, turn, full turn, and then we're gonna go with that wave right here and up. So you take your hand, go up, come down, and it's 4 counts on the right and the left. So step, pivot, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So on here, you actually, with this tap it back 5 times. So you tap and 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's go back to the top. What did we do? Let's do a review. We do a jazz square. Crossover on the right with a triple step. Crossover on the left with a triple step. We walk back to the right with a triple step. We walk back to the left with a triple step. We do out and cross 4 times. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now it's time to move. Let's move back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot turn. 5, 6. Do it again. 7, 8. Weight is on the left. Switch to the right. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quarter turn with my right shoulder coming back. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's my left shoulder coming back. A quarter turn, going back where I started from. Okay? So, let me go ahead and add this, because this is the only thing left. We're going to dip on the right with a triple step, dip on the left with a triple step. Then we're going to go rock up, recover, triple step with a full turn, rock up, recover, turn back with a triple step, full turn. And that's the end of the dance. Okay? So I did it. Dip on the right, triple step, dip on the left, triple step. I rock up, recover, turn back, right, left, right. Full turn back. Rock up, recover with my left, turn back, left, right, left. From here, the dance starts over. Okay? And when it starts over, there's going to be a change. And I'm going to teach you that. All right? You're not going to do the whole entire dance. So let's go back to the top, and that is the dance. So far as moving forward, you already know it. There's no change up. You're just going to do the same thing. We're just going to tap around and start at the back wall. Okay, from the top, jazz square. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross right, left, right, left, right. Cross left, right, left, right, left. Walk back, right, left, triple step. Walk back on the left. Left, right, triple step. Out and cross. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. That wave is 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7. Tap back. It's 1, 2, 3, quarter, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip on your right with a triple. Dip on your left with a triple. Now rock up, recover, turn back with a triple, full turn. 1, 2, 3. Rock up, recover, turn back. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, that's the dance. That's the dance. Now, the music's still going, so let's start over. Okay? From here, we'll start over with your jazz square. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Walk right, left, right, back, left, right, out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it there. Tap around, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half turn, that's how we're gonna get to our walk. So we walk back, right, left. My weight is on my left, my right shoulder moves forward. Half turn and tap, right. This is my second wall here. What do? I go back to the top, cross over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's a change. Okay? I just did a change in the routine. Now I'm coming back here, my second wall, I'm starting over. Jazz square. Right, left, left. Walk back on the right, left, triple step, walk back on the left, triple step. You right, out and cross. Here we go. Out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. What you say, walk back? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So that second part we did on this front wall, we also did on the back wall. Which is what? Jazz square on the right, jazz square on the left. Walk back on the right, walk back on the left. Out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. Walk back before, right, left. Instead of pivot, full turn, you tap around with that right shoulder coming forward, half turn. Right. That's the same thing we did on the front wall. And guess what? No, don't start over. Go with the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. You pick it up. Rock, recover, turn back. Rock, recover, and rock, recover. Full turn. Right, left, rock, recover. Full turn, and then start the dance over. Jazz square. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Roll back. Is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6. Out and cross. Is 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Come on, walk back. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and end of the dance. Just like that. Let's do a review, okay? So we did the whole entire dance at this wall, okay? Then we started again. But when it came to we walk back, right, left. It's the second time we started the dance at this wall. Instead of pivoting around, we paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, half turn. When we got to this wall, we started to dance over. Jazz square with a triple, jazz square with a triple. We roll back with a triple, we roll back. Out and cross 4 times. Out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. We walk back. Yes, 2, 3, 4. We paddle around. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Then from here we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Don't forget tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 1, 2, 3. Dip on the right with a triple. Dip on the left. Then we're gonna rock, recover, turn back, full turn. Right, left, back, right, up, left, right, back, left. From here, start the dance over again. From the top. Then we roll back to the right. Yeah, let's go. What you said, out and cross? That's right, 4 times. Out and cross, out and cross. Yes, we walking back. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and end of the dance. So that's a session. I'm gonna post in the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Guys, I'm looking forward to Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself. We are looking forward to hosting y'all guys at the NOLA Southern Experience 2024. Thank you so very kindly for your support. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.